What is up? Second part of our Diecast daily video for today. It is a Saturday, and today in the second video we'll take a look at this Hot Wheels blue 71 Datsun Wagon. Check this one out, guys. I bought this one as part of the package with the Datsun 510 and the one from the Team Transport series, and what else? The one from the 5-pack, and this one. This was released, I think, 2 years ago, 2017. M or N case? I really forgot. I think M case, and part of the, of course, Surfs Up series, I think. So yeah, just correct me, guys. Comment down below the right details about this car, and yeah, for our viewers to find out. But anyways, here's the wagon here. So as you know, a lot of collectors go after wagons and of course Datsuns, but in the past months the hype has kind of died down a little bit, in my opinion. But I still love wagons, especially the Datsuns. And here's the blue one. So on the side says JNC Surf Patrol. Got number 71 here. The hood, the blue and orange stripes right there. Of course, the number 71, which I guess means 1971 Datsun wagon. And yeah, I love that this part here on the window is open. Kind of looks cool, and the window here also is slight open a bit. Interior pretty cool, all black. The rims is red, which kinda, I don't know, I'm not really a fan, but looks okay with the blue car. I think a silver or chrome would look better, to be honest. On top, nothing here. And let's take a look at the base 71 Datsun 510. Yeah, plastic base, metal body. This was a mainline car, but quite famous. But now the prices have come down a bit, so you can still get this one at the standard retail price that they used to sell it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video about the blue Datsun 71 wagon here, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. That is it for our Diecast daily videos. This is part 2. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please also watch the part 1, which is the Tomica Lamborghini Diablo SV from their premium lineup. Again, guys, see you soon. Bye bye, peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day.